Ever wonder why a smaller site outranks you on Google? Maybe it's because you don't have access to the right data to get to the bottom of this mystery. That's where tools like Similarweb come in. Similarweb gives you the insights that you need to find out what separates the leaders in the market from everybody else. In this Similarweb review, I'll briefly talk about its main features, how to use Similarweb, and help you understand whether it's a good fit for your business. But first, what is Similarweb? In short, it's a business intelligence tool that gives you an overview of various data that's needed to optimize your site's performance. More specifically, it allows you to monitor website rankings, analyze traffic sources, conduct market research, perform SEO keyword research, benchmark competitors, and much more. Similarweb offers 5 crucial products tailored to different business goals, but all of which utilize the same underlying data. However, each one provides different insights for specific business needs, making Similarweb a Swiss Army knife for online business intelligence. With everything Similarweb can do, I'm sure it can help with your business needs too. And that's why I've left a link below where you can get Similarweb with the best discount currently available. Now, in this Similarweb review, I'll be focusing on the Web Intelligence Suite, since that's what the service is famous for. It's a popular choice among businesses, website owners, marketers, and SEO professionals who want to utilize Similarweb's features to maximize their growth potential. So, what does Similarweb have that makes it so compelling? First, we have website research, which enables you to thoroughly analyze websites, their rankings, and get in-depth audience information. Here you can pick one site to overview, and there's even an option to link Similarweb to Google Analytics to get deeper benchmarking insights about your website. Alternatively, you can select multiple websites for a thorough competitor analysis between, let's say, you and your closest rivals. Or you can go even wider and analyze an entire market. Whichever path you choose, you can examine traffic sources and engagement across paid, organic, referral, and display channels, gaining insights into how to attract visitors and which channels drive growth. You can also set region and traffic source filters, making it easier to analyze performance in specific markets. Up next, we have SEO Intelligence, which will be the new home of your team's SEO specialists. Here you can keep an eye on the overall web search situation by monitoring keywords, competitors, and emerging trends across both traditional and AI-powered results. This tool provides real-time keyword research and traffic insights across organic and paid channels, with data that's updated daily. It even includes AI-driven alerts that notify you about emerging topics, content gaps, and possible optimization opportunities. You can also track AI overviews, SERP visibility, and click metrics by keyword, tag, or competitor to better understand performance and maintain search visibility. Once everything is running smoothly in terms of old-school SEO, you'll want to optimize the new frontier, which is where Gen AI intelligence comes into play. This tool addresses the lack of visibility in AI-driven discovery by showing how brands are discussed in AI search engines. This tool works by estimating traffic generated by LLMs and AI assistants, while also tracking brand mentions, frequency, sentiment, and favorability in AI-generated responses. It also keeps an eye on prompts, citations, and the sources that AI models rely on for information. And this tool works with many popular platforms to guarantee maximum visibility. Naturally, you also need to keep an eye on paid media to ensure that you're not wasting money on ineffective ads. For that, Similarweb offers Ad Intelligence, which enables you to analyze competitors' paid activity across search, display, and social ads. Plus, you can connect ad campaigns to traffic trends to help optimize media spend. And last but not least, market research, which, as the name suggests, helps you monitor trends within your chosen industry. The tool identifies macro and micro consumer trends, enabling teams to align product development and marketing strategies with actual demand. It even provides actionable recommendations on how to improve performance and strengthen your market position. You'll be happy to hear that Similarweb offers free versions of some of its tools, allowing you to test them without registering. They're stripped-down alternatives that include a website traffic tool alongside app analytics and a keyword generator. Or alternatively, there's a 7-day free trial if you want to get your hands on the provider's full premium tool set instead. Either way, the link in the description will take you to the complete selection of Similarweb Pro plans, and it'll give you a significant discount if you end up deciding that you do need a premium plan for the long term. So go ahead and check that out, or stick around while I talk about Similarweb's pricing. When it comes to web intelligence, Similarweb offers 3 plans as monthly or annual subscriptions, and I like that their names correspond with the features they unlock to keep things straightforward. For example, the most affordable Similarweb plan is called Competitive Intelligence, and it unlocks the features we discussed for 1 user and also grants 3 months of historical data. The next plan is called Competitive Intel and SEO, so naturally it adds on the SEO Intelligence suite. And the final plan is called Competitive Intel, SEO, and Ads. It extends historical data availability to 6 months and unlocks ad intelligence. You may see this plan labeled as coming soon, but that would change soon since Similarweb has received frequent updates over the past year. Or if none of these plans suit your needs, you can also contact the Similarweb sales team to discuss a custom plan tailored for your specific business preferences. Okay, now I want to do a quick overview of a few other Similarweb products in case web intelligence isn't up your alley. The first alternative option is App Intelligence, which focuses on mobile app performance like audience demographics and usage analytics. Next up, Sales Intelligence will assist your sales team in finding leads, score accounts, and expand their contact list. There's also Shopper Intelligence for tracking e-commerce platforms, including category management and consumer behavior. And lastly, Stock Intelligence provides data for investors to analyze stock performance and market trends. So where does Similarweb obtain all the data that powers its features? Well, the provider uses a multitude of sources, including anonymized data from apps and extensions, direct data from site owners, partnerships with ISPs, and publicly available information. All of this info is processed through modeling and algorithms to estimate digital behavior at scale. That said, please note that these estimations are always more accurate for larger websites. To summarize, Similarweb is a market intelligence platform that helps you understand website traffic, competitors, and overall market trends, not just your own site. It organizes estimated data into tools for SEO, paid search, content, and competitive analysis, allowing you to benchmark yourself against others. It's similar to Google Analytics, but for your entire market, and with a much wider variety of tools. That's it for this Similarweb overview. It's definitely an impressive tool with all kinds of features I wasn't able to fully cover in this video. Leave a comment if you need a more in-depth tutorial explaining how to use Similarweb, or I'll see you next time.